Hello everyone, you're on the GT Cars channel and today I got this package. This one contains 24 pieces and I got it from someone. Brand new sealed, how you can see, and we will open it and see what inside. So this one is HNR 888-979D. So I think this one will be Fast and Furious Woman Fast or something like this. So let's start with opening and let's less talking. And we will see what it contains inside. Maybe some cool cars. So this one will be HNR 88. Oh, I see a lot of cars. So I will put it like this, and I will take one by one. Look at this piece of cardboard. So let's start from here. First one, pretty heavy. We have, oh yes, Woman of Fast. Fast and Furious Woman of Fast. This one is 5 of 5. And this one is Custom Corvette Stingray Coupe in red color. So this one is not premium models, this one is like special series. No rubber tires and not metal, plastic metal. Okay, cool one. Next one. One more Corvette. So put it in, not in the here. Next one. Oh, this one is pretty cool. This one is Honda S2000 in pink color. It has all the details. It's very clean. And this one will also have all the details. It even has number plate. Okay. Next one. Oh, it's two Honda S2000s. Okay, next car is also two S2000s. Okay, next car is one more Honda. Not problem. Next car. One more Honda and a new car. Ford GT40. This one 4 of 5. Honda was 1 of 5. In blue color. Made in Thailand. This also written here. Made in Thailand. And on every car written made in Thailand. Next cars will be also Honda S2000. I think I have a lot of them. Too much. One more Honda. Okay. I don't know what to do with all these Hondas. Next one. Very heavy. Really heavy. 2 of 5, and this one is Mazda RX-8 in black and blue color. This one was from, I think, it's not written here. It's nothing written. This one was from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Yeah, this one was from Tokyo Drift, I think. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 4, 5. We don't have three. We don't have number 3. Let's find it. So we have 2 more GT40. Next we have 1 more Mazda. Okay, a lot similar cars. we have one more Mazda, one more Ford GT. Next car will be custom Corvette Stingray, one more, and we have new one. This one 3 of 5, and this one is Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 in white color. This one is also heavy, like Mazda, but Mazda more heavy than Porsche. Cayman GT4. This one is really cool car. This one was also premium one. I remember I also have it, but I don't know where right now. I would show it also for you. And what we have next? Next, one more Stingray and one more Porsche. And last car of this box is Porsche Cayman. So box is empty, you can see. I will put it down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have this set, Women of Fast, all 5 cars, and they are cool. All pink for women, and I will show you how many duplicates I have from this box. This box contained 24 pieces, so I got 5 of these, and I have tons and tons of these similar cars. So I only have like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of Honda S2000. So you can see here 8, 9, and this one 10. Also you would get 1, 2, 3 and 4 for GTs, 1, 2, 3 Mazda X8s, and 1, 2, 3, 4 custom Stingrays, and only 3 Porsche Cayman. So thank you for the watching. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.